This is Marvin Gill from StockMarketPlan.com with your stock market watch for February 11th, 2011. The market keeps edging higher day by day, and everybody's scratching their heads. Everybody calling for inflation, and that's supposed to bring this market lower. And let me just be clear about something. The markets are going to want to go down when they want to go down, regardless of what anybody thinks. And eventually, all the people that are saying that the market's going to go down, eventually they'll be right. I instead try to look at the market day by day and let the market tell me when it wants to turn and go lower. And the same thing when the market is bearish, and I let it tell me when it confirms a new uptrend and I want to get involved and start buying stock again. Right now, there's nothing about this market that says stocks are getting sold off. So we just keep riding it. I'm just keep riding it. Been saying the same thing for like 2 weeks now. And I mean, the intraday patterns even confirm it even more. Let's go ahead and take a look at an intraday 5-minute chart. Here we are looking at the 5-minute intraday chart. The session is this black area right here. Okay. And same pattern all over again. We gap down. Here's yesterday's close. Thursday's close, the dash white dotted line. Thursday's high is the green dotted line, and Thursday's low is the red dotted line. So we gap down, okay, we're negative right off the bat, but right again, we just go ahead and keep motoring higher. Today, the excuse today was Mubarak stepping down. In yesterday's cast, I mentioned that the market was looking for that, and the market got it, and we were off to the races once again. So with that said, I have been wondering about, when is this market going to turn, and because I wonder too, when is this market going to turn and head for the worst? I mean, certainly all the catalysts are there. Inflation, the price of everything is going up because petrol's up. Or anytime oil goes up, it's not good for anything. The price of oil is built into just about everything that you have on your person and that you see all around you. You either use it to make what you see in front of you, or they use it to transport it, and they pass that cost right down to the consumer, right down to us. They don't eat that cost. So all these things are in place, and I'm just thinking to myself, like always, every time this happens and there's a bullish pattern like this that's very, very strong, when is the market going to turn? Well, I'm going to do a piece on that this weekend about the things that I like to see before I start calling a market top. I don't predict. I don't like predictions. Most people don't even know what they're going to have for dinner tomorrow, let alone where the S&P is going to be a year from now or even a week from now. So instead, what I like to do is just look at the everyday action of the markets, and the markets, they leave big footprints about where again, I always telling you about volume. Where is the big money crowd going? What are they doing? And that's what I like to do. It's like a big bus, and I just want to, as the bus is moving, I just want to hitch a ride like the guy hanging out the door of the bus, and then as the bus keeps moving, then get off. That's a perfect investment. For what I call a perfect investment is getting in a position while it's running and getting out. And I don't care if it goes even further. I just like to. So anyhow, look for this weekend for the piece on things to look for when the market tops. That's probably what I'm going to title it. Just a few pointers on what to look for. What are the things that the market will give me when it wants to show me that it wants to turn lower. And every market top has the same, almost all the same characteristics every time they happen. I will share with you what those are this weekend. I'll probably put it out there either Saturday night or Sunday. Okay, well folks, have a great one. This is Marvin Gill from StockMarketPlan.com with your stock market watch for February 11th, 2011. Have a great weekend all.